You want some blueberries and pears? Tucker, you want a bite? Here, Tucker. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, he made a crazy face. Hey, big boy. Did I give you too much?
Let me try. I'm gonna eat your bite. Do you want it? Tucker, do you want this? He's looking at your phone. Hey, bite. You can't have it. Uh-oh, he's wanting out. Want a bite? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Come distracting him.
Sorry.
You missed him.
Ooh, he acted like that was disgusting.
I think it's getting more sour or something.
You don't like it anymore? Look, he ate this much.
Mhm.
Are you done, baby? More bite? What is that?
Some crazy noises.
Oh, okay, you don't have to have me anymore. I promise you liked it earlier. No more. Ooh, there's a big spider in here. Again.
You say it.
Keep this stuff off your face, boy.
What's that? What was that? What was that?
What are you doing? No.
Hey. Dada. Dada. What are you doing? Dada. Dada. Here, he turned his head sideways looking at me. I see you. I see you. Hey, Mama, I wish you quit doing that.
Sorry.
Dada. 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 Daddy. 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 Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.